So I haven't been posting up too many videos lately because we've been really busy with this remodel. We did everything top to bottom. Everything from trying to level out the floors, insulation. We sistered on some joists, dealt with dry rot. It's 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and it's in the historic district. But yeah, so we wanted to show it to you guys. So here it is. All right, so this right here is the outside. So there's still some landscaping to do. It's got a new roof. We painted it. We put new windows. We did those decks. It's a black color, and we did the wood on that bump out. We painted the fence black too. It was a little older. We just replaced that part of the fence, that part. But yeah, I think the outside looks pretty nice. On here, what there's gonna come in and level this out, and then put gravel all along the fence here, all along this, all the way up to this side, because this alley gets pretty dirty, and there's no parking on the street. But yeah, and then this needs to get fixed. So after this part gets leveled out that way, and the gravel gets in there, this will be a little parking spot for people to park. But there was so much dry rot, we had to replace some of the siding. The paint on this guy was peeling, kind of like that home there. But that's how this guy looked. We replaced this post here, was like falling over. It was horrible. That deck didn't look like that. We added those stairs, everything. But yeah, let's go take a look on the inside. So this door, it didn't fit. We had to cut out. And then up on top there, we had to put what is it called? We had to put some framing in there, like a header. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you see is the kitchen. That kitchen was pretty bad. It was low. It was about this low, so roof got raised, and we added these posts here, and then added that beam, and then so we sistered on everything and made it a lot higher, so that way we could have some cabinets, and now you can stick a microwave under there. I did a video before asking if anybody's seen this type of home building. You guys could check it out so you guys could see how thin these walls were. I still don't know what type of home building this is, but they use like 1x6s up and down vertically, and then they put a piece of newspaper, and then they put like a panel on the inside. It's pretty crazy, but what we did is we just drywalled the whole thing and then textured it. We did knockdown texture on it. Came out nice, came out perfect. But yeah, so, and these cabinets we got from Home Depot, just their stock stuff, and we just made them fit. So, all new appliances, really nice sink. And this was all bad. I'll put out some before and after pictures if I get a chance. We did the little plumbing in here, nice cabinets. These are drawers here. They're not soft close. That would have been nice, but these things are pretty expensive. Just doing the kitchen like this, just in materials, with all these, getting them stocked like this and making it fit. It looks custom, and it came out to be about $1,500 in cabinets. So we saved quite a bit of money on these cabinets doing the remodel like this. But yeah, and then so this is the living room. My fiance, it was just me and her who did all this work. So this floor here, I'll show you guys. It used to dip real bad this way, and so we raised it up. We pulled up the subfloor, raised it up, all this as best as we could, and leveled it as much as we could. But it's still, you can see that it's not all even. It's an old house. I think it was built like in the 1940s, if I'm not mistaken, or so. But yeah, these floors came out nice. And then here's that door. We had to widen up quite a bit. All new windows. This heater was not here. So what I ended up doing is there was a heater here, a baseboard heater. So we moved it this way and put this guy in a little cadet heater. It was a heater here, a baseboard heater. We canceled it. And so this is the hallway, and we put barn doors on here. They're pretty badass, I think. So, you know, but it was quite a bit of work. I had to cut the bottoms, and then we ordered some special hardware for the bottoms. They're pretty nice. And then this part right here, this bathroom is my favorite part. We tiled it, and so it's got this mirror light. It's pretty cool. And then so any of the steam, you could also turn it on, so that way when you shower, it don't steam up. And then so you could turn off the light with the light switch, and then just turn on the regular light without turning that on if you wanted to. And then this other light switch is for the fan. And pretty cool. What's pretty cool about that fan also is that it's got a Bluetooth speaker in it, so be bumping some jams while they're showering. But we tiled this, and we did a his and her shower, so that way, you know, you guys can both shower at the same time. But it came out beautiful. Oh shoot! But you guys can see that. Looks beautiful. So we're still gonna put some glass doors in here, and we'll add those in later. But yeah, this bathroom was horrible. Also, it's did a whole 360. I got some pictures. I'm gonna upload them and do some before and afters. But this is my favorite room. Then here's the bigger room. These windows, they did not fit, and you were having to wait 2 months, 3 months for windows. So we just got stock windows, and we cut them out and put them in there. And we had actually already did the drywall, thinking we were gonna order the right windows that fit in there, but waiting so long, we went in there and cut it all out, and then had to redo all the drywall, all the corner bead and everything. This here, there used to be a baseboard heater here at the bottom. We canceled it out, and we put this cadet heater. It went pretty nice. And then back here, we did this deck. Came out pretty nice. And we did the wraparound stairs all the way around. And then there's still, the landscaping needs to be done, and there's going to be a jacuzzi added in. So this is going to be rented out in Airbnb. So So yeah, whoever comes out here is gonna be able to party and have a good time here. And then when you come in here, this is the laundry room. Same thing here. This whole thing was down low. So I think back in the day, because there's an alley that's out this way. So I think this was like a garage or something, because this floor was low. You would take a step down right here, and the ceiling was lower. So what we did is we built up the floor, and we took down the ceiling and raised it up. And this allowed us to put a laundry room in here. So we added this wall here, and made this room. So it gave it an extra room. So it'll be a small bed, a little full-size bed or something, and put a little closet in here. But yes, put a little light. No, but yeah, I think it came out pretty cool, because what this does is that it makes it so everybody can have their own little private entrance. So the other room, they're able to go out to that back deck, and then these people, whoever's staying in here, could just come outside, and you know, if they want to smoke a cigarette, smoke a joint, you know, they could go ahead and just relax right here and do what they do, you know. So yeah, it was quite a bit of work. So this is a fence, so they could go out there through the alley and stuff. So it came out pretty nice. Even though it was a lot of work, it was well worth it, because you know, everybody that's walking by just says how much they like it and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, so you guys could see what we've been up to and the work we've been doing. But it came out pretty nice. So we're gonna do another full remodel, and I'll show you guys some more work that we're doing there. I'm gonna try to upload more stuff. This one we just needed to knock it out as fast as we could. And to be honest with you guys, I had lost my password to my YouTube channel, so that's why I wasn't uploading. I had lost the password, but I got it back, so we'll be uploading a lot more. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, or you guys got any questions, put them in the comments below. Hit the like button, and the best thing is if you guys can subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. That really helps out. But yeah, I'll check you guys out on the next one.